Hello students, we are doing subject Shiv Chhatrapati Environmental Studies Part 2, Lesson number 9, Pratapgarh makes history. Welcome to Vidyabhushan English Primary School Standard 4 online studies. In this lesson we will see how Pratapgarh makes history. Adil Shah perturbed. Perturbed means disturbed. He was very much worried. Now why he was very much worried, we will see. The court of Bijapur was passing anxious days, means Adil Shah was very much worried. He was having fear. He was tensed. Why? It was only because the act of Shivaji Maharaj, as he was capturing forts one by one to achieve Swaraj, to develop Swaraj. The Sultan summoned, means he called all his sardars to the court to take stock, means to take opinion, to investigate, to study the situation. All the sardars, including those who were known, means famous for their exploits, bravery, whatever bravery which they have done, even some of their bravery which was unknown, all famous sardars attended the court. Badi Saheba, the Dowager queen, meaning of Dowager is a widow, a woman whose husband is died and she got the property and rights because of her husband. Dowager means this is a title given to a widow of a king. She personally looked after Adil Shahi administration from Bijapur. She was also present in the court to take certain decisions against Shivaji Maharaj, who was capturing forts one after the another. The question before the assembly meeting, assembly means meeting, was how to bring Shivaji to book, means how to punish him, how to take action against whatever he have established, how to break his revolt. Here revolt means how to break violent action which is done by him. Badi Saheba asked a straight question to her sardars. Tell me, who is willing to march against Shivaji and put an end to his rebellion? Here rebellion means refusing to accept the rules. Here the one who refused to accept the rules which has been made, that person is called rebellion. In Hindi it is called Rajdrohi. The court became silent. Everybody sat quietly in his place and they started looking at each other. For who would dare accept the challenge of fighting with Shivaji? Just then, a giant, means a big sized man, came forward and bowed respectfully before the throne. Means he gave respect. His name was Afzal Khan. Yes, Afzal Khan. The Khan accepts the challenge. The Khan accepted the challenge and picked up the betel leaf from the salver. Salver means a plate as a mark of acceptance. That means he have accepted the challenge as he will defeat Shivaji. He said, Shivaji, who is Shivaji? I shall arrest him and bring him here, or if possible, I shall bring his dead body. Afzal Khan was one of the mighty sardar at the court of Bijapur. He was having physical prowess and strength, means of this is bravery. His bravery was unbelievable. He could bend a crowbar and iron bar with a flattened end with his hands. He was expert in achieving success anyhow. Now this Afzal Khan had accepted the challenge of bringing Shivaji to the court dead or alive. The court was highly pleased, happy. Everybody thought that it was end of Shivaji and he would be brought to Bijapur by Afzal Khan either dead or alive. Afzal Khan now left Bijapur and he was along with a huge army fully equipped, stock of war equipments for battle. He was Subedar of Vai for 12 years. And so he knew the country well. He marched on Maharashtra with pride and confidence of success, as if he will achieve success. But do you think physical strength is possible to attack Shivaji Maharaj and get success? Of course not, not at all. Swaraj in danger. At this time, Shivaji Maharaj was at Rajgarh. He came to know Afzal Khan's movements. He saw that his Swaraj was in danger. But he was a brave king. He did not lose his courage. He knew that the Khan was full of stratagem. The meaning of stratagem is he was with his complete plan and had a huge army with him. On other, Shivaji's army was very less. Just with some of his friends, Shivaji Maharaj understood that it was not possible to win in open battle against Khan as he was having huge army. He just wanted to do proper planning to take the Khan by surprise. With consultation, meaning of consultation is discussion. So, by doing discussion with Jizabai and with her blessings, Shivaji Maharaj shifted his headquarters from Rajgarh to Pratapgarh. Afzal Khan's counter move made in opposition. When Khan studied that Shivaji had moved to Pratapgarh, he became very angry. He was aware of the difficulties in conquering, as it was not an easy task. It was surrounded by thick forest and high hills. There was no proper road to the fort. It was difficult to move his artillery. Besides, the jungle was full of wildlife, means wild animals. The Khan initiated, meaning of it is, he set up many moves for bringing Shivaji down to the plains. He also attacked the holy places of Pandharpur and Tuljapur. He was hopeful that these tactics would bring Shivaji down to the plains. He refused to leave Pratapgarh. Then the Khan changed his tactics. By just making a plan, he sent a message of friendliness to Shivaji. You are like a son to me. Come and see me. Return our forts, and I shall see that Adil Shah makes you a Sardar of at his court. Tit for tat, जैसे को तैसा. Shivaji quickly saw the Khan's offer. He decided somehow to pursue, meaning of it is convince the Khan to come up to the fort. In Khan's message, Shivaji Maharaj replied, he gave answer that, Khan Sahib, I am guilty, I am really sorry for capturing your forts. Please forgive me for this. Please come and meet me at the foothills of the Pratapgarh. I am really afraid of coming down to the plains to meet you. This reply of Shivaji Maharaj made Afzal Khan very happy. Passing his fingers through his beard, he smiled and said, this is good news. And what can Shivaji do against the mighty Afzal Khan? He has no guts to fight with me. I shall myself go to Pratapgarh and put an end to his life when we meet. So he agreed to meet Shivaji Maharaj at the foothills of Pratapgarh. At the foothills of Pratapgarh now, Afzal Khan was ready to meet Shivaji Maharaj. The rest of the lesson we'll see in part 2. Thank you.